Which thread is most efficient? A square thread. Answer. A screw jack is used where we need rotational motion. A screw jack is used where we need rotational motion, linear motion. Is most commonly used in workshop for measuring components of limited accuracy. A steel rule. A comparator for its working depends on comparison with standards such as slip gauge. The least count of vernier caliper is 0.02 mm. The degree of closeness of the measured value of a certain quantity within its true value is known as accuracy. What is the value of flatness for the surface upon which slip gauge are wrong? 0.001 mm. Vernier bevel protector is used for checking linear measurement, angular momentum, taper measurement, all of this. Vernier bevel protector used for checking angular measurement. 1 inch equal to 25.4 mm. Which among the following is measured using for ball method diameter? The straight distance covered by a nut or bolt in one rotation is called lead. Inside micrometer used for measuring internal dimension. The following is not a type of comparator, hydraulic. The angle of buttress thread is 45 degree. Example of precision measuring instrument is vernier caliper, dial test indicator, outside micrometer, all of this. Which type of tolerance does a slip gauge have? Bilateral tolerance. Dial test indicator has a least count of 0.01 mm. Which of the following is not a type of direct measuring instrument? Divider. Thread micrometer can measure of the thread pitch. Thread micrometer can measure the pitch of the thread, which fastens prevents relative motion between parts being connected set screws. Vernier bevel protector are used for checking V-block inside beveled face of a ground surface, measuring acute angle, all of this. What is the least count dial indicators which can be calibrated using parameters? 0.01 mm. The following is not used to measure angle. Optical flats. Bevel protector calibrated levels of clinometer is used to measure angles. The crest diameter of a screw thread is same as measure dia. The precision measuring instrument should possess the following characteristics. All of this: high degree of accuracy, proper calibration, less accuracy. The U frame in outside micrometer is generally made of both A and B, cast iron and cast steel. Testing flatness or straightness of a surface is possible using autocollimator. Following parts are available in micrometer ratchet. Following part is not available in vernier caliper. Angle is not available in vernier caliper. If a nut when turned in anti-clockwise direction screw of the bolt, the list is a left-hand rule. The following is not a method to find effective thread diameter, the V-pipe method. For width worth thread, the angle between the flank is 55 degree. Which type of nut prevents slipping while tightening? Hexagonal. Clinometers are used for checking angular measurement. The following is a line standard of measuring tape. A bore dial gauge normally used for checking deep hole. Pass meter used for checking external measurement. 0.01 mm measurement can be achieved by micrometer. Testing flatness or straightness of a surface is possible using autocollimator. Acme thread usually used in lathe machine. What is total error in micrometer? Maximum difference between coordinate of cumulative errors. The distance from a point on a thread to a corresponding point on the next thread is called lead. The root diameter of a screw thread is same as minor dia. If a nut when turned in clockwise direction is screw on a bolt, the thread is right hand thread. For checking external and internal radius on a curved surface, radius gauge 9 micron is equal to 0.009 mm. Error of measurement equal to true value minus measured value. The sign bar is made of high carbon. Which type of tolerance does a slip gauge have? Bilateral. 1 radian equal to 57.29 degree.